How to improve self-confidence while speaking. Improving self-confidence while speaking can be a gradual process, but with consistent effort and practice, you can build your confidence. Here are some tips to help you boost your self-confidence when speaking. 1. Know your material. Be well prepared and knowledgeable about the topic you're going to speak about. 2. Practice. Practice your speech or presentation multiple times. 3. Start small. Begin by speaking in front of a smaller, more familiar audience before progressing to larger groups. 4. Focus on your body language. Stand tall, make eye contact, and use positive body language. 5. Speak slowly and clearly. Take your time, breath, and enunciate clearly to ensure your audience understands you. 6. Accept mistakes. Understand that making mistakes is normal and natural. Instead of dwelling on errors, focus on your message and keep going. 7. Record yourself. Record your speeches or presentations and review them. 8. Positive affirmations. Repeat affirmations to yourself before and during your speech. 9. Visualize success. Imagine yourself speaking confidently and receiving positive feedback from your audience. 10. Join a public speaking group. Consider joining organizations like Toastmasters, where you can practice speaking in a supportive and constructive environment.